guys, Max here. For a few weeks I won't be able to bring you new content because I am moving my TV production studio and the workshop to a new location, which is bigger and better, so I can bring you a really good and better quality videos. However, I didn't want to leave you without any content for those few weeks that I'll be moving. So I've shot a few videos back in 2016 when I was planning to open the YouTube channel, and that's a few videos that I'll be playing now. So let's look at one of them. Hey guys, tonight I'm going to show you how to fix an error C3211 or C3210, C3111, which is the errors of the tape on the HVR Sony camera. When the tape mechanism, it says reattach the power source, and the deck is stuck open and you can't shut it. It would not shut no matter what you do. A lot of people commenting on hitting a camera, and apparently it works. It might work, but for a moment. In some cases the deck is stuck shut, and that's when you're getting C3110 error, because the deck is stuck shut and you can't open it or eject the tape. Particularly with this camera, which is a Sony HVR V1P. Some idiots, I got it on eBay for $200, some idiots encountered that error with the mechanism, so they went with a screwdriver poking in, trying to force the tape out, and they've bent the mechanism. So we will be opening it up, reassembling and fixing that error. So I'm not going to go through a process of pulling the camera apart. It's better for you to download a service manual for your camera and you will see how it's done. Also, if you're not familiar with electronics, and even if you are, do not pull the tape deck apart without a service manual. There's a lot of things that you can break, even if you know what you're doing. Always follow the steps in the service manual. You'll be fine. So pretty much before pulling your camera apart, disconnect the battery, take off your lens, and take off the microphone. This will make things a lot easier for you. So once all that's done, then you can start disassembling your camcorder, which is, first part, you take that panel, then you take the top handle, the side of the camcorder, and the tape deck will be accessible to you then. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so we taken the top handle off, and you run into the problem. If your deck is stuck in the open position like this and you can't close and descend, so it's very hard to take that cover off because it will latch onto the deck. In this case, we will have to take the top part off by unscrewing these screws, the 3 on a deck, which is already part of that tape deck. So 1, 2 and 3, and that will allow us to remove this part of the deck. So that should make things a lot easier, and let's try taking it out again. We've got the deck out. That's the deck. So if your deck, I'm going to put a piece of paper here so you can clearly see and zoom in a bit. Right there. Alright guys, so if you if your deck is stuck in a closed position, you can retract it manually. So what you need to do for that is, first of all, make sure you take that board off and disconnect those ribbon cables, all of them. Second of all, get a power supply, and at about 4.5 volts you need to apply the power to this motor. So change the polarity. One way, if that's positive, that's negative, the deck will retract. If it's the other way around, it'll open up. So you need to apply the power up until the deck fully out and the motor will actually stop. Then you can proceed to disassembling the deck. A quick note, make sure that you actually download a service manual for that deck or for the video camera and disassemble it according to the procedure, because there's a lot of key things. I will show you through the process, but there's a lot of key things that you can actually damage or assemble incorrectly. There's alignment, there's a certain way to align the wheels and positions and everything. So let's proceed to the disassembling of the deck. So that was it, and as you see, the error has been cleared and your camcorder is working fine again. You can either buy that spare wheel or you can fix the old one. If it's not too bad, the camera is back in working order again. I hope you enjoyed the video, so subscribe to my channel and put some likes. See ya.